In the Edpuzzle video, you learned about adjectives and how they function in Spanish. You may want to watch the video again. This short tutorial takes you one step further. I will share with you how to use adjectives to describe the physical appearance of your family members. There are two important verbs that you can use. They are S and tiene. Let me review one of the most important points to keep in mind when using adjectives in Spanish. Words that describe, that is, adjectives, are placed after the words they are describing. In English, we say a fat cat. In Spanish, we say un gato gordo. In English, we say the bald son. In Spanish, we say un hijo calvo. In English, we say the young girl. In Spanish, we say una chica joven. This is really important to remember. In most cases, adjectives, that is, describing words, come after the word they are describing. Now, on to the sentences. If you want to write a sentence or say something about a person or thing using an adjective, one strategy is to use the word S. S means is. So you use it just like you use is in English. In English, we say, my cousin is handsome. In Spanish, we say, mi primo es guapo. In English, we say, my sister is short. In Spanish, we say, mi hermana es baja. In English, we say, your aunt is tall. In Spanish, we say, tu tía es alta. Another strategy to describe a person is to use the word tiene, and it works just like it does in English also. In English, we say, my grandpa has gray hair. In Spanish, we say, mi abuelo tiene pelo canoso. In English, we say, her grandson has brown eyes. In Spanish, we say, su hijo tiene ojos marrones. In English, we say, your sister has long hair. In Spanish, we say, tu hermana tiene pelo largo. Now it's your turn to practice using these concepts. You are going to practice through a reading and drawing activity. You will read each description, then draw the person according to the description. You will need to use color, and you may want to also label your person using the Spanish words. You can use a separate sheet of paper, take a picture of it, attach your picture to the assignment on the Google Classroom, or if you know how, you can make a digital picture and attach it. Draw pictures based on the descriptions below. I'm going to read the descriptions so that you can hear what this sounds like in Spanish. Mi abuelo es alto y calvo. Tiene una nariz pequeña y ojos azules. The next one. Su primo tiene pelo corto y ojos grandes. Él es delgado, feo y bajo. The next one. Tu hermana es bonita y joven. Ella tiene pelo castaño, liso y largo. También tiene ojos marrones y grandes. Finally, el hombre, the man, tiene ojos azules y pelo rubio. Él es alto, and I can't read the rest because my toolbar is blocking it. I hope you have fun drawing the pictures. In the past, I have used a similar assignment in the classroom, and it's always very fun to see the pictures that students come up with.